by the camera, throw it into the steam pot.
We're here tonight to witness a historic occasion. Mike Wadham is one of 200 people in the world to have the new limited edition Fox 40. Which,
by the way, will be better next year. This is next year.
And the real truly special occasion is that tonight is also Hurricane Blizzard 2008 Pump Track Party.
You gotta go outside and just get covered in snow and take a picture of that sitting there frozen solid. Hey, let's do a live bikes.
Oh yeah. Oh, there will be some frozen solid tonight.
Got that drying wood right there.
Look at it. Yeah, look at it. There's gonna be fire out there.
Oh, fire.
Oh, now it's recording. You gotta do it again.
Take one.
Hurricane Blizzard.
Oh man.
Flaming survival Frito chip. Miguel's gonna eat this chip.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat the flaming chip.
Eat the flaming chip. Nice. How does that taste?
Tastes like shit.
What would you say?
That's what they do it again.
Is that the best tasting food that ever could save your life?
It is. It's kind of
So good that it burns.
It's so good it burns. It burns in your mouth. Do it again.
Full of essential vitamins and minerals.
Carbon and fiber together.
Oh, that's getting stinky now. Enough flaming Frito.
I'm just buying it.
There's some cheese.
Just try it. Yeah, it's recording. All right. There it goes. It's burning. It's gonna burn. Oh, oh.
Greatest wonders of the world. Fire.
Fire. You see? Fire. There it goes. Solomon is getting the. Oh, Solomon.
Coming out your nose,
Now you gotta do commercial for Fritos. He's so good. It burns. It burns.
That's what happens. Well, we're now in December, so I'm starting my car on one time. I try not to kill us better.
TV is real, raw, uncut. History is about to be made and goes where no show has gone before. And so do the viewers. Go over there. Learn how you can get them to do the same thing.
How is you?
How many people are there?
Yeah, drive it.
Get more drunk or party longer?
Kevin Kelly himself on injured reserve after smashing his finger. Bryce Hall mercilessly crunched his finger in the rotisserie. It's bleeding. But no, he's giving it up for the team. He knows that this is a special night. Hurricane Blizzard 2008 Pump Track Party at Kevin Kelly himself. Oh yeah, get it! Get it! Oh! You got the super bright lights, spectator crew, yeah, giving it up for the player, giving it up. Oh yeah, we gotta have a breather. 2 lap maximum here. Not only is Kevin giving it up for the team tonight, but he is also the chef, resident chef extraordinaire, making up the stew for the boys. We got salad coming up. Get it. Oh, committed to the corner. Then down and with the tuck roll. Smooth.
Oh, and you and Kevin come out.
Oh, that was... Way to go, Kev. You paid your dues for sure for the team tonight. In fact, tonight, I think we're going to have to dedicate the Hurricane Blizzard of 08 to Kevin Kelly. Kevin, how do you feel about that? Being the honorary recipient of that award.
That's a huge statement.
Is there anybody you'd like to thank? You know, people that helped you get here tonight, and just what inspired you?
Everybody helped me get here.
Too many people to mention all at once.
Not a single soul did.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to close out. The conditions are just too harsh on the equipment. Until later, we're signing off.
Man, the survival man. Dude, fucking power.